Hi, in this video we are going to see about the similarity factor which affect corona and coronavirus, and also similarity to minimize on corona and coronavirus. And over minimizing the coronavirus, I have tried one different idea. You can see it at the last section of this video. For this, please post your comment whether it is a good idea or a bad idea. Okay, let me go into the video. So we see some of the factor affecting corona. They are conducting surface, atmospheric condition, and space between the conductor. These three we are going to see. First, conductor surface. If conductor surface is not smooth, then the corona effect will be high. For coronavirus, if you are not wearing a mask, if you are not washing your hand, or if you're not wearing the PPE properly, then it will have the chance to spread very fast. Next, atmospheric condition. During winter, we can see more corona effect over the transmission line. You can able to see it. For coronavirus, it was believed that during winter it can spread more. Third, space between the conductor. If the space between the conductor is too small in high voltage line, then the corona effect will be more. For coronavirus, if the space between the affected person to non-affected person, if it is very close without PPE, then it will spread more. Now we can see how to minimize corona. On that, we are going to see some of the three important way to minimize corona. First, increasing the conductor size. Second, increasing the conductor space. And finally, corona ring. Now we can see the conductor size. If we increase the conductor size, we can able to minimize the corona effect. For coronavirus, if we increase the immunity of the body, it will protect from corona effect. Conductor space. Space between the conductor has to be increased to reduce the corona. For coronavirus, if the space between the affected or non-affected person has to be large to reduce the spread of this virus. And finally, the corona ring. This corona ring you can see it on a high voltage substation over the bushing area, which will help to reduce the corona effect over there. For coronavirus, over outside the marketplace or any shop, we can able to see the ring drawn on the floor to maintain the distance. But mostly one person has to watch and maintain this very closely. If not, then most of the people will break the rules and they go very near to person. In order to avoid this, we can use one round ring over our hip, which made up of very less weight material. If this ring become compulsory to wear like mask, then this can be very useful to reduce this corona, because by wearing this ring, anyone can monitor very far distance, or any person mistakenly goes very near to other person or accidentally go near to other person, this ring will become obstacle for them, and it will prevent to make a man to man contact very nearly. So I think this corona ring will help to maintain the distance between each other. You may also think how I can use my hand for purchasing by wearing this ring. For this, the ring should have a separate for this two side to use your hand two side freely for purchasing and for giving any material to others. Now you all may have a doubt how I can use this if I go with car or bike. We have to think for it. For this the ring has to design to be folded like umbrella before we get into vehicle and we go home safely. Be safe and be alive. If you think this video is useful for your friend, then please share this to them. Thank you for watching this video.